Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss Principle of Inheritance and Variation. Top 50 Multiple choice questions. 1. What was the model organism used by Mendel to give the laws of inheritance? A. Garden peas. B. Wild peas. C. Basket peas. D. Bottle gourd. Answer. A. Garden peas. 2. Which of the following is not a pair of contrasting traits studied by Mendel? A. Green and yellow pods. B. Full and constricted pods. C. Axial and terminal flowers. D. Pink and white flower. Answer. D. Pink and white flower. 3. Which of the following is a dominant character in pea plants? A. Tall stem height. B. White flowers. C. Terminal flowers. D. Constricted pods. Answer. A. Tall stem height. 4. Who proposed the laws of inheritance in living organisms? A. Gregor Mendel. B. James Watson. C. Francis Crick. D. Erwin Chargaff. Answer. A. Gregor Mendel. 5. What technique in plant biology was used by Gregor Mendel to derive the patterns of inheritance? A. Hybridization. B. Mutagenesis. C. Exportation. D. Importation. Answer. A. Hybridization. 6. What should be the phenotype of the F1 progeny produced by a cross between tall and dwarf true breeding garden pea plants? A. Tall plants. B. Dwarf plants. C. Intermediate plants. D. Mixed population of tall and dwarf plants. Answer. A. Tall plants. 7. With green pods as a dominant trait over yellow, which of the following crosses will result in all progeny having yellow pods? A. Homozygous green and homozygous yellow. B. Heterozygous green and heterozygous green. C. Homozygous yellow and homozygous yellow. D. Homozygous green and homozygous green. Answer. C. Homozygous yellow and homozygous yellow. 8. Which of the following was not observed in F2 progeny of true breeding tall and dwarf plants? A. Homozygous tall plants. B. Heterozygous tall plants. C. Homozygous dwarf plants. D. Heterozygous dwarf plants. Answer. D. Heterozygous dwarf plants. 9. The factor expressed only in homozygous state is called blank. A. Dominant. B. Recessive. C. Gene. D. Allele. Answer. B. Recessive. 10. Who deserves the credit to discover Punnett square? A. Reginald Punnett. B. Gregor Mendel. C. John Watson. D. Maurice Punnett. Answer. A. Reginald Punnett. 11. The ratio of genotypes observed in progeny after a cross has been performed is called blank. A. Genotypic ratio. B. Phenotypic ratio. C. Absolute ratio. D. Relative ratio. Answer. A. Genotypic ratio. 12. According to the law of dominance, what are the discrete units that control the characters? A. Factors. B. Multipliers. C. Divisors. D. Remainders. Answer. A. Factors. 13. Self-crossing of dwarf plants from F2 generation will produce blank. A. 100% tall and 0% dwarf plants. B. 0% tall and 100% dwarf plants. C. 50% tall and 50% dwarf plants. D. 25% tall and 75% dwarf plants. Answer. B. 0% tall and 100% dwarf plants. 14. What are the rules postulated by Mendel based on his studies of inheritance in pea plants called? A. Principles of inheritance. B. Rules of inheritance. C. Principles of heredity. D. Rules of heredity. Answer. A. Principles of inheritance. 15. What does the second law of Mendel state? A. Factors occur in pairs. B. The alleles separate during meiosis and pair up during fertilization. C. One factor is dominant over the other. D. Factors determine the characters of the offsprings. Answer. B. The alleles separate during meiosis and pair up during fertilization. 16. If a cross between true breeding red-flowered and true breeding white-flowered plants give rise to pink-flowered progeny, what is the mode of inheritance? A. Complete dominance. B. Incomplete dominance. C. Codominance. D. Multiple allelism. Answer. B. Incomplete dominance. 17. Which of the following will not be the nature of enzyme encoded by a recessive gene? A. Less efficient enzyme. B. No function observed for the enzyme. C. Abnormal function of the enzyme. D. More efficient enzyme. Answer. D. More efficient enzyme. 18. Abo blood grouping in humans is an instance of blank. A. Complete dominance. B. Incomplete dominance. C. Codominance. D. Pseudoscience. Answer. C. Codominance. 19. What is the ability of both IA and AB alleles to express together called? A. Complete dominance. B. Incomplete dominance. C. Codominance. D. Multiple allelism. Answer. C. Codominance. 20. A case was registered against the progeny being exchanged at the hospital. The doctors used blood groups to solve the case. The blood group genotype of parents was IE and IAIB. What was the blood group of the child who was wrongly placed as their child? A, B, B, C, AB, D, O. Answer. D, O. 21. What is the blood group of the progeny if one parent donates I allele while the other donates I? A, B, B, C, AB, D, O. Answer. A. 22. To discover multiple allelism, it is essential to study blank. A. Cells from an individual. B. Organs from an individual. C. Tissues from an individual. D. Population. Answer. D. Population. 23. What is the expected phenotype of F1 progeny of a dihybrid cross for inflated green pod plants and constricted yellow pod plants? A. Inflated green pods. B. Inflated yellow pods. C. Constricted green pods. D. Constricted yellow pods. Answer. A. Inflated green pods. 24. What is the expected phenotype of F1 generation obtained by the cross between true breeding round yellow seed plants and true breeding wrinkled green seed plants? A. Round green seeds. B. Round yellow seeds. C. Wrinkled green seeds. D. Wrinkled yellow seeds. Answer. B. Round yellow seeds. 25. For the cross of round green and wrinkled yellow seeds, which of the following is incorrect with regards to the F2 generation? A. Round seeds were 3 times more abundant than yellow seeds. B. Green seeds were 3 times less abundant than wrinkled seeds. C. Round seeds were as abundant as the green seeds. D. Yellow seeds were 3 times more abundant than green seeds. Answer. D. Yellow seeds were 3 times more abundant than green seeds. 26. What is the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation in a dihybrid cross? A. 3, 1. B. 1, 2, 1. C. 9, 3, 1. D. 9, 3, 3, 1. Answer. D. 9, 3, 3, 1. 27. Which of the following is a correct interpretation of the law of independent assortment? A. Factors exist in pairs. B. Factors segregate such that each gamete gets a single copy. C. For multiple traits under consideration, each segregate independently of one another. D. For multiple traits under consideration, they segregate in a specific pattern. Answer. C. For multiple traits under consideration, each segregate independently of one another. 28. Which law was proposed by Mendel based on his dihybrid cross studies? A. Law of dominance. B. Law of recessiveness. C. Law of segregation. D. Law of independent assortment. Answer. D. Law of independent assortment. 29. What was the reason for the scientific community not accepting Mendel's proposal? A. Mendel's factors blended, but natural changes were somewhat discrete. B. Mendel's factors were discrete, but natural changes blended. C. Mendel's factors were discrete, and natural changes were also discrete. D. Mendel's factors blended and natural changes also blended. Answer. B. Mendel's factors were discrete, but natural changes blended. 30. What approach used by Mendel was utterly new? A. Mathematics to study biological phenomena. B. Crossing of plants. C. Growing garden pea plants. D. Emasculation. Answer. A. Mathematics to study biological phenomena. 31. Which pair of scientists to correlate chromosome movement during meiosis to Mendel's predictions? A. Crick and Watson. B. Newton and Einstein. C. Sutton and Boveri. D. Franklin and Wilkins. Answer. C. Sutton and Boveri. 32. What theory was coined by Sutton and Boveri? A. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. B. Genetic theory of inheritance. C. Theory of gravitation. D. Universal theory of everything. Answer. A chromosomal theory of inheritance. 33. Who was responsible for the theory of chromosomal inheritance? A. Crick and Watson. B. Newton and Einstein. C. Sutton and Boveri. D. Franklin and Wilkins. Answer. C. Sutton and Boveri. 34. What does the chromosomal theory of inheritance state? A. Factors segregate independently of each other. B. Genes segregate independently of each other. C. Chromosomes segregate independently of each other. D. Cells divide independently of each other. Answer. C. Chromosomes segregate independently of each other. 35. What is the process of the production of non-parental phenotypes called? A. Linkage. B. Recombination. C. Mutation. D. Replication. Answer. B. Recombination. 36. What was the observation made by Morgan based on his dihybrid crosses? A. Genes segregate independently. B. Genes do not segregate independently. C. Genes disappear. D. New genes appear. Answer. B. Genes do not segregate independently. 37. On which of the following factor, the degree of redness of progenies depend? A. Number of dominant alleles. B. Number of recessive alleles. C. Number of contrasting traits. D. Number of phenotypic characters. Answer. A. Number of dominant alleles. 38. What was the ratio of F2 generation when the red and white quenelle variety of wheat were crossed? A. 1, 2, 1. B. 9, 3, 3, 1. C. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. D. 3, 1. Answer. C. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. 39. What is the mechanism behind pleiotropy? A. A single gene controls a single character. B. Effect of a gene on metabolic pathways. C. Effect of multiple genes on multiple pathways. D. Effect of multiple alleles on a biochemical pathway. Answer. B. Effect of a gene on metabolic pathways. 40. Accumulation of which of the following in the brain leads to phenylketonuria? A. Phenylpyruvic acid. B. Pyruvic acids. C. Tyrosine. D. Phenylalanine. Answer. D. Phenylalanine. 41. Which of the following is responsible for determining the sex of the bacteria? A. Plasmid. B. Cytoplasm. C. Cornucleus. D. Vacuole. Answer. A. Plasmid. 42. In which of the following organisms, the male heterogametic condition is not observed? A. Grasshoppers. B. Humans. C. Drosophila. D. Birds. Answer. D. Birds. 43. What is the probability of having a girl child in sixth pregnancy if the first 5 progenies are boys? A. 25%. B. 50%. C. 65%. D. 10%. Answer. B. 50%. 44. Which of the following is not a type of mutation? A. Gene mutation. B. Chromosomal aberrations. C. Genometic mutations. D. Colorful mutations. Answer. D. Colorful mutations. 45. How does deletion occur? A. When a part of a chromosome is duplicated. B. When a part of a chromosome is left out. C. When a part of a chromosome is lost. D. When a part of a chromosome is translocated. Answer. C. When a part of a chromosome is lost. 46. By which of the following methods, a pattern of inheritance can be traced in a family? A. Pedigree analysis. B. Chromosomal analysis. C. Nuclear analysis. D. Cytoplasm analysis. Answer. A. Pedigree analysis. 47. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to aneuploidy? A. Arises due to the non-disjunction of homologous pair of chromosomes. B. Arises due to the non-disjunction of non-homologous chromosomes. C. 1. Gamete comes to have an extra chromosome. D. Another gamete becomes deficient in one chromosome. Answer. B. Arises due to the non-disjunction of non-homologous chromosomes. 48. Which of the following is not an example of aneuploidy? A. Turner syndrome. B. Down syndrome. C. Phenylketonuria. D. Klinefelter syndrome. Answer. C. Phenylketonuria. 49. When can a female be colorblind? A. Father has normal vision and the mother is a carrier. B. Father has normal vision and mother is colorblind. C. Father is colorblind and the mother has a normal vision. D. Father is colorblind and mother is a carrier. Answer. D. Father is colorblind and mother is a carrier. 50. How can a female be hemophilic? A. Mother is hemophilic and father is normal. B. Mother is a carrier and father is hemophilic. C. Both mother and father are carriers. D. Both mother and father are hemophilic. Answer. B. Mother is a carrier and father is hemophilic. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.